guys, I'm Deja.
I'm Madison.
And we will be doing a dare today. I'm gonna tell Madison a dare, and if she doesn't do it, she has to say no or chicken. Mainly we want her to say chicken. And then say Madison. What? Okay. Oh my gosh. Madison's gonna ask me a dare too, which is the same conditions. But please, after this dare, comment down below and subscribe. Madison, I dare you to go up to Haley and say, big or not nice. Okay, she did it.
Okay.
Right.
I dare you.
Not to ask Shady out, first of all.
Okay,
And not to ask any of the boys out, first of all. Not to ask any of the girls, either.
I dare you go up to Miss Ostrowski and say that hold on. That you want more work to do in class.
No! I'm a chicken to that. So no, I'm sorry guys. She has to ask me another dare, not including teachers, asking boys out. Or asking boys out.
Okay, I dare you to go down there and go smack Corey.
No.
Like this.
No.
Fine. I dare you.
That's why. Nothing.
I dare you to go tell Haley I dare you to take Haley's phone. Like take it out of her hair and hide behind your back.
No, I can't do that. Just say something that involves Haley, but not being rude.
Go. Put Haley upside the head. I dare you to.
No. Oh my gosh. Haley, this is the dare. I gotta tap you on the head. I'm sorry, I tapped her. Basically, it's a kind of hit. So, guys, that was our dares. So, thank you, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you. Not thank you. Madison, shut up.
Make me.
Please comment down below. Tell us more dares, or tell us a challenge to do. But mainly, I don't think Madison will be here for it. I know you would.
No, you.
Okay, and please subscribe down below. Bye, guys. Bye.